Bellaire AI has just been released, and if you're looking for an AI tool that can truly change the game, you need to know these 7 crucial things before you dive in. Stick around to the end, because by the time this video wraps up, you'll know exactly why Bellaire AI could be a breakthrough for your business or personal projects. First off, Bellaire AI has taken a bold step in the crowded AI space with its ability to streamline content creation and digital marketing tasks like never before. It uses advanced algorithms to help businesses automate their workflows, saving time on everything from lead generation to content optimization. But what sets Bellaire apart? The intuitive interface that makes even complex tasks feel like a breeze. Whether you're new to AI or a seasoned marketer, Bellaire AI adapts to your needs. What's more, you can try Bellaire AI for free through the first link below. I highly recommend you test it out yourself, but let's walk through what makes it stand out. One of the first things you'll notice is how quickly it analyzes large amounts of data and offers actionable insights. This isn't your run-of-the-mill software. It uses deep learning to truly understand patterns in customer behavior and helps you fine-tune your strategy, whether you're a small business or a digital marketing pro. Bellaire AI is also impressive when it comes to personalization. It doesn't just give you generic recommendations. It creates tailor-made solutions for your audience, which can lead to more engagement and higher conversions. This is particularly valuable if you're managing multiple campaigns and need a way to ensure each one speaks directly to its target market. Now here's something that can give you a serious advantage over the competition. Bellaire AI provides real-time analytics. You can track performance metrics in real time, helping you adjust your approach as needed. This level of transparency can be a game changer, especially for digital marketers looking to optimize their strategies on the fly. Another major highlight is how Bellaire integrates seamlessly with other software. If you already have tools that you're comfortable with, don't worry. Bellaire AI is designed to work with popular platforms like Google Ads, social media managers, and email marketing services. So if you're worried about the learning curve, don't be. The setup is smooth and you'll be up and running in no time. As someone who's reviewed countless AI tools, one of the things I value most is whether a software actually delivers on its promises. Bellaire AI does just that. It's consistently shown to increase productivity by cutting down the time spent on repetitive tasks and providing smarter, more efficient solutions for scaling campaigns. Now let me give you one last tip. Bellaire AI isn't just for marketers. If you're a content creator, freelancer, or business owner, this tool can help you optimize your workflow and focus on what matters most, creating content and growing your audience. Its versatile features cater to a wide range of needs, whether you're designing a website, creating social media posts, or crafting email sequences. To wrap it up, Bellaire AI is making waves in the AI space for all the right reasons. With its user-friendly design, powerful automation tools, and actionable insights, it's a must-try for anyone serious about optimizing their business operations. You can try it for free right now by clicking the first link in the description below. And before I go, I want to mention that I've tested thousands of AI tools over the years, and I've included my top recommended software in the description for you. These are the tools that I personally trust and use to run my own business, so go ahead and check them out and see what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.